Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to configure Odoo MCP Studio. I will walk through the complete process step by step. So let's get started. Go to the MCP Studio. In Configuration tab, here you can see the server endpoint. We set up Cloud AI, Cloud Desktop, Cloud Code, ChatGPT Web, ChatGPT Codex, and also Google Gemini CLI. So let's configure with Cloud AI. So simply copy the server endpoint, go to the cloud, setting, connector, add a custom connector, just add the name, ODMCP server, just paste the link and add. Let's connect. He asked the authorization MCP access. So simply allow access. Here you can see the connected MCP server. So let's create a contact using MCP Studio. So let's create the contact. I will create a 20 Odoo contact with country in United States, state California, and all the details. You can see he checked the tools and ask for permission, allow. Okay, the 20 contact created successfully. Let's go to the MCP contact module. You can see the contact is created. Go to the MCP Studio. Here is a token setting, token access token lifetime in hours, tool limit. Here we give the 10,000. Also login, security, OAuth client, API tokens, and here is a reference. And that's how you can configure Odoo MCP Server Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials and advanced integration. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a next video.